Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of comments regarding a white mesh that's showing up in your animations. It's that scarf. So apparently there's a second scarf that's showing up. So I did some research, found it, and wanted to show you how to get rid of it. So there's, in the outliner view, we're going to be doing all of our work over here. So let me kind of open this up a little bit so you can see. I'm going to first enable some more icons over here on the right, and I'm going to do that with the filter icon. And I'm going to choose the screen and the render just so that you can kind of see what's going on. I have those three selected, and you'll notice that now I have three options here. I'm going to search for scarf. And what I'm going to find is I have a geoscarf and I have a geoscarf mesh cage, and what it is, it's the mesh cage that's showing up. So if I uncheck the render settings from the mesh cage, then that mesh cage will not render. It won't show up on your animations. So that's it. That's all I needed to show you. Go ahead and just select that, and then you can get rid of the filters if you don't want to have to see those anymore. Okay, hope that helps. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me.